Tug Records was an independent record label based in Maida Vale in London, UK. Formed in 1991, Tug was founded by Guy Holmes, who had been head of promotions at Island Records. Under his expertise, the fledgling company quickly became one of the UK's leading independent record labels with multi-million selling albums and singles from artists like Tom Jones, Right Said Fred, signed under Tug Records, Aswad, Jimmy Sommerville, as well as Uniting Nations, signed under the Gusto imprint, and Crazy Frog. The label released a diverse range of music from pop through to indie rock and dance. The first single released, Right Said Fred's song, I'm Too Sexy, became a massive worldwide hit, reaching #1 in 28 countries, including the United States, where it spent 3 weeks at #1. The single went on to sell 7 million copies, and their debut album Up became a worldwide hit, reaching #1 in the UK. It made the top 5 in over 20 countries and selling in excess of 4 million copies worldwide. Tug continued to successfully release albums and singles worldwide, achieving millions of sales for artists including Sparks and Tears for Fears. In August 2008, the company went bankrupt and its assets sold to Phoenix Music International Limited. References. External links. Official site. https://www.facebook.com/phoenixmusicinternational https://twitter.com/phoenixmusicint http://open.spotify.com/users/pmi-music https://plus.google.com/plus-phoenixmusicinternational/posts https://www.youtube.com/users/p-emi-ltd2011